z minus z2 by n2 are equations of two lines. Then the acute angle theta between the two lines is given by cos theta equal to mod L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. The shortest distance between two skew lines is the length of the line segment perpendicular to both the lines. The shortest distance between the lines r vector equal to a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector and r vector equal to a2 vector plus lambda b2 vector is mod b1 cross b2 vector dot bracket a2 vector minus a1 vector divided mod b1 cross b2 vector. Shortest distance between the lines x minus x1 by a1 equal to I minus I1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1 and x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2 is determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 whole divided under root a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square plus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square. Distance between parallel lines r vector equal to a1 vector plus mu b vector and r vector equal to a2 vector plus lambda b vector is b vector cross bracket a2 vector minus a1 vector whole divided mod b vector. The vector equation of a plane which is at a distance p from the origin where n cap is the unit vector normal to the plane is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Equation of a plane which is at a distance p from the origin with DCS of the normal to the plane as LMN is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to p. The equation of a plane through a point whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to the vector n vector is bracket r vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0 or r vector dot n vector equal to d, where d equal to a vector dot n vector. Equation of a plane perpendicular to a given line with DRS a, b, c and passing through a point x1, y1, z1 is a whole bracket x minus x1 plus b whole bracket y minus y1 plus c whole bracket z minus z1 equal to 0. Equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 is determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Vector equation of a plane that contains three non-collinear points having position vectors a vector, b vector, c vector is whole bracket r vector minus a vector dot whole bracket b vector minus a vector cross whole bracket c vector minus a vector equal to 0. Equation of a plane that cuts the coordinate axis at a 0 0, 0 b 0 and 0 0 c is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Vector equation of any plane that passes through the intersection of planes r vector dot n1 vector equal to d1 and r vector dot n2 vector equal to d2 is r vector dot n1 vector minus d1 whole bracket plus lambda whole bracket r vector dot n2 vector minus d2 equal to 0, where lambda is any non-zero constant. Cartesian equation of any plane that passes through the intersection of two given planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 is whole bracket a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus lambda whole bracket a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. Two lines r vector equal to a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector and r vector equal to a2 vector plus lambda b2 vector are coplanar if whole bracket a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 vector cross b2 vector equal to 0. Two lines x minus x1 by a1 equal to y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1 and x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2 are coplanar if determinant x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 equal to 0. In vector form, if theta is the acute angle between the two planes, r vector dot n1 vector equal to d1 and r vector dot n2 vector equal to d2, then theta equal to cos inverse mod n1 vector dot n2 vector whole divided mod n1 vector into mod n2 vector. The acute angle theta between the lines r vector equal to a vector plus lambda b vector and plane r vector dot n vector equal to d is given by sin theta equal to mod b vector dot n vector whole divided mod b vector into mod n vector.